So we have this LG Direct Drive, 8 kilos. Actually it works so perfect. But by mistake we lost the alarm or the sound. Like no have. So it's turn it off or maybe electricity problem. But first you need to check, is that any problem with this or can we have the sound again? So this is LG f14A8YD. So I want to try some. We start from the beginning. Look, this, it's on, and we have these two here. Some of same serial or model, they can be activated from those buttons, like you have to all hold the two together. But my need to do, actually this was all the day trying, so it was this temp and Spain together. Hold it about 3 seconds. You hear. Now it's again working. Enjoy your wash.